Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to send an email from your Microsoft 365. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically to send an email, all you will be needing to do is to simply go to your Outlook. And basically Outlook is the product or the service where you will be able to start like sending and receive emails, or it is the mailing service of Microsoft. So as you can see, it is also included in the Microsoft 365 apps. So either you can use it from your web browser or you can use it as an app from your computer. It will be the same result. So now let's just go to Outlook, and basically it will take us to our mailbox, and from there you will be able to start sending messages. So here you will need just to click on new message, and by clicking on new message you will be needing to start writing the message that you want. So from here it is the recipient, so you will send it to Microsoft or whatever and outlook.com, and from here we have added a recipient, and you add the subject, uh, tutorial, and from here uh, you will start adding the body of your message, and basically you will be able to start adding like some modification or formatting. So hello, basically we will do something like best regards or whatever. And basically from here we can simply start having some formatting. You can choose the fonts that you can there are many fonts that you can choose from. So let's just do it italic. You can highlight, change the font color and the alignment. You can add like whatever you would like, and basically at the end you will need just to click on send, and by clicking on send the recipient will receive your email. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.